At kung hindi ka pa naka-follow sa ating page, palike naman ako mga sisi ng videos. Hello mga sisi, another day, another dollar. And I'm back, no, wearing my red robe again on Monday morning. Today I'm off. And then meron ako nakitang comment, no, actually, she messaged me. No, but anonymously na lang siya kasi I wanted to protect her para hindi rin malik yung kanyang identity. And mga sisi, kapag hindi ako makapag-reply, I'm telling you, I tried my best to reply as much as I can. But the thing is, I'm also busy. I'm doing so many things and I went back to school yesterday. So, first class ko yesterday, I wake up around 5:30 in the morning because my class starts at 6 a.m. Since 6 a.m., maaga ako nagising, nag-set up ako ng aking computer because we have an online class for now. But, eto talaga yung gusto kong, this is what I wanted to do on this, for today's video. Sabi niya, and I'm gonna put it right here, "Good day, Aldrin. Isa ako sa mga taga-subaybay mo. And I know, nakita ko yung message niya. Sabi niya ganito, papaiksain ko na lang. So, meron akong anak na nagpunta dyan sa US back in 2013. And he did internship for 1 year. Meron akong ganitong friend na nag-internship dito sa New York. No, not New York. New Jersey. Sa hotel. Same din sa anak niya, nag-cooking. And then after that, he applied 2 times for tourist visa after Donald Trump was elected for him to be legally stayed as, F1, student visa. Na-approve naman daw, but the problem is, ang naging problema is, nakikitira lang daw siya sa kapatid ng tatay niya, pinaalis siya sa bahay, and now he's renting out around